In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit theme in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make consistent, professional-looking changes that update across your entire deck in just a few clicks. Start by opening your presentation in Google Slides. Make sure you're in the correct file, since the changes you're about to make can affect many slides at once. If you're working from a template, this is the best place to refine it to match your brand or project. Next, go to the top menu and choose Slide, then click Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, where you'll see a list of layouts on the left and a larger preview area in the center. Think of this space as the control room for your presentation's design. In the theme editor, you can select the master slide or any specific layout. The master slide controls defaults for the entire theme, things like overall fonts, colors, and background that cascade to all layouts. Layouts, on the other hand, are tailored to specific slide types, like title slides or content slides. If you want a universal change, work on the master. If you only want a change to appear on certain slide types, select the layout that matches those slides. Now, make your visual adjustments. Change backgrounds to set a consistent look, whether it's a solid color, gradient, or image. Update fonts and text styles for headings and body text to maintain readability and brand consistency. Adjust colors to improve contrast and accessibility. You can also reposition or resize placeholders, those predefined areas for titles, subtitles, and content, to guide where text and images should go on each slide. Keep margins and alignment tidy so everything looks balanced. If you want elements to appear across multiple slides, go to Insert and choose Image or Shape. This is perfect for adding a logo, watermark, or design accent. Place it on the master to show it everywhere, or on a specific layout to limit where it appears. Use transparency and size carefully so these elements enhance your content without distracting from it. When you're done, close the theme editor. Your changes are automatically applied to all slides that use that theme and layout. If a slide looks different, it may have custom formatting from earlier edits, which can override theme settings. You can always undo recent changes if needed. That's it. Your presentation now carries a consistent, polished design with far less manual effort.